Good afternoon, all. Myself Shivani, and we are from Mindscript branch Nigri, and today we are conducting JD round. And my first question is to Prajakta, and my question is, what is defect?
Hi all, my name is Prajakta and I'm giving to this answer. The difference between actual result and expected result is nothing but the defect. For example, if we are checking a calci, like we are giving two inputs, 2 plus 2 is 4, but the calci is giving to a 5, then there is a defect.
Hi, my name is Jayashri. My question is, what are the levels of software testing?
There are four types of levels in unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance.
So my question is to Renu, what is the performance testing?
Hi, myself Renu. Performance testing is a process of determining the speed and effectiveness of software or device. There are three types of performance testing. First one is load testing, second is stress testing, and third is volume testing.
What is black box testing and what are the black box testing techniques?
Black box testing is a test we mainly focus on the output. Like we give input and the output are the result. We don't have to know the internal mechanism of the testing. And the methods are decision taking and decision tables, state transition method, error guessing, and boundary value analysis.
What is the difference between smoke testing and sanitary testing?
Smoke testing is can be automated. Sanity testing is not can be automated.
Okay, I would like to give this answer. In smoke testing, we are doing a major and critical functionalities testing, and in sanity testing, we are doing a in-depth testing.
My question is to Pranjal. What is the principle of software testing?
So there is a seven principle of software testing. First one is testing shows presence of defect. Second is exhaustive testing is impossible. Third is defect clustering. Fourth is early testing. Fifth is pesticide paradox. Then sixth is testing is context dependent, and the last one is absence of error fallacy.
Hi, I am Maithili. I would ask the person, Varsha, what is difference between abstract class and interface?
Hello everyone, my name is Varsha and the difference between abstract class and interface is abstract class contain normal method as well as abstract method and interface contains only abstract method. The second difference is that in abstract method, in abstract class, multiple extension are not allowed and in interface there is a multiple extension are allowed. Abstract class contains a construct abstract class have a constructor, interface does not have constructor. That's all.
Hi all, my name Barve Rushkesh Dattatray. My question to Varsha,
Yes.
what is inheritance and type of inheritance?
Yes, Rishikesh. My answer is that inheritance means when we create a class from the existing class, that class acquire all the properties and behavior of the existing class. That is the inheritance. And the type of inheritance is that first one is a single inheritance, second one is a multi-level inheritance, third one is a hierarchical inheritance, fourth one is a multiple inheritance, and last one is a hybrid inheritance. Yeah.
तो हमारा आज का ये ग्रुप एक्टिविटी था एंड थैंक यू ऑल फॉर हैविंग दिस ग्रुप एक्टिविटी। तो इसमें क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हम लोगों ने एक दूसरे से पूछे और सब लोगों ने बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस में आंसर दिया। ऐसे हम बहुत सारे ग्रुप डिस्कशंस और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स राउंड करते हैं। आपको अगर ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन आंसर्स राउंड में पार्टिसिपेट करना है तो माइंडस्क्रिप्ट्स को आज ही ज्वाइन कीजिए।